Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to be doing how to fix the selfie recognition error message. So to first start off, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I wanted to make this video because simply I've done Doordash for at least 6 months now, and when I first ran into this problem, I was relatively new. I was only about 3 months into it or so, and it really had frightened me or it startled me because I was just getting the hang of it, and then all of a sudden I get this message on my phone in the app. And I want to say I'm an independent contractor, by the way, just to clear that up. So I got a message on my phone one day that said that I needed to do a selfie like a selfie. It's called like a selfie, where you go like this. Okay, that's the selfie recognition. I could even do it a little bit more close up, where you're holding your phone like that, and it will ask you to turn your head from one side to capture. So it will have you do this. It will have you turn your face to the left and then to the right to capture it. And then it'll have you do it straight forward. And then it'll have you turn your head to the right and it verifies your features, your facial features, just to make sure that it's you. So when I first ran into this problem, there was some basic generic troubleshooting that Doordash offers, and I think that it's great because I think that maybe that would have cleared up some of the problems. However, that did not work for me. So I had to do something else, which I'll get to that in just a moment. So that led me to do my next step, and that's what I want to show you guys, is that it is possible to fix it even if you've done all the troubleshooting. And I realize that not everyone is tech savvy, so I'm completely aware of this. And actually, I'm not very tech savvy myself, but I still went through Doordash's troubleshooting, just the basic things to see if I can, get past this error message, because it wouldn't let me, it would not let me continue to work. And that was what was frightening, because if you're working and you're working every day, and then all of a sudden one day they say, oh, you can't work today because you need to do the selfie recognition, and you tried, so you're trying to do it, you're trying to log in to do the selfie recognition, but it's giving you an error message. And so you do all of Doordash's troubleshooting, and so after that wouldn't work for me, what I did is I just went and I upgraded my phone to the most newest phone that there was. I upgraded my phone to a Samsung Galaxy S23, which was the newest at that time. Although you probably could upgrade your phone to the newest iPhone. Whatever phone, just make sure it's probably the newest, and I probably would just stick with one of those two companies. I know it worked for me with the Samsung, but you could try other companies just to see which one works for you guys. So it was just upgrading my phone. And what dawned on me was maybe that it was old technology. So maybe I had an older phone that the technology was just old and it just simply couldn't do the high gear face recognition, the selfie recognition, verification, whatever you want to call it. So I just wanted to make this video. I know it's not going to be perfect in any way, shape, or form, but I just wanted to be honest with you guys on what worked for me, because I spent hours, and I didn't want that to be the end. I didn't want that to be the end of, oh, I can't log into work and I can't go to work and I can't continue to do DoorDash. So I wanted to make this video because I know that I'm not alone. I know that there's other people that will run into the same problem. And maybe they spend hours just like I did. I spent like at least 8 hours just troubleshooting their basic techniques. And after I did all that list, I even spoke with tech support. And you know what they didn't say? They didn't say to go upgrade your phone, and that's what I did. So when I spoke with tech support, they were very helpful, but we just couldn't figure out what was the problem. And so the problem was I just simply needed to upgrade my phone. So I hope that helps some of you guys. Put it down in the comments down below if this trick worked for you. I hope that I made it crystal clear for you guys on what to do, because I just know I just can't imagine you're doing DoorDash day after day, and then one day they want your selfie recognition, the selfie face recognition. And if it's giving you an error message and you just can't get past that, I mean, you'd be out of work. I mean, then you'd be scrambling to try to find another job, and you're like, man, I was just getting the hang of this. I was just barely getting the hang of how to do this. So for me, it was just simply upgrading my phone to the newest version that there was. That was what works for me, and I call it my work phone now. I say that it's my work phone. I'll be so happy to hear from you guys if this trick works for you or not. So be sure to put it down in the comments down below. I'd love to read your comments and see if this trick also worked for you. I realized that there was no other video explaining this, so I figured I would take it upon myself to help tell you what I went through so I could help someone else. And if it helps one person, then that'll make me happy. So anyways, that's all my gibberish, and it was good talking to you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.